Making Modak at home is a fun and tasty project. Modak is a sweet dumpling often enjoyed during festivals at like Ganesh Chaturthi. Here's a simple recipe you can try, okay? So first of all, the ingredients. I'll leave everything in the description, obviously. You know, you're not going to just listen to this, but it's a cup of white flour, a cup of water, a cup of grated coconut, half a cup of jaggery or sugar, a little cardamom powder, ghee, clarified butter for greasing. So the instructions are: prepare the filling in a pan, mix the grated coconut and jaggery, heat it until the jaggery melts, add the cardamom powder for flavor, stir until it becomes thick and let it cool. Number 2 is making the dough. In another pan, boil the water with a pinch of salt. Once boiling, add the rice flour and stir well. Cook for a few minutes until it forms a soft dough and let it cool to a bit. Okay? I'm leaving everything in the description. Shake the Modak. Grease your hands with the ghee. Take a small piece of dough and flatten it into a circle. Place a spoonful of coconut filling in the center. Carefully fold the edges to shape it like a little pouch. Pinch the top to close it up. And then number 4 is to steam the Modak. So basically place them in a steamer for about 10 minutes, and then you can enjoy your delicious homemade Modaks, okay?